4th grade, today's lesson is all about solar power. So you are going to be making some s'mores using solar power. All you will need is some aluminum foil, some graham crackers, some chocolate, and some marshmallows. But before you get started with your solar power experiment, I wanted to show you another type of solar power. Today I have a little solar panel, a miniature version of what you might find on top of some people's houses that they use to heat their houses. And I also have a little mini motor. I've connected these two over here in another set, and we're going to see what happens when the solar power is connected to the motor. Let's go ahead and look. This solar power has been sitting in the sun for a while now, and so it's got plenty of juice in it. But look, has the motor spinning. It's actually spinning a lot quicker than it looks in the video. And all I had to do is hook up those two sets of wires. I was not able to use the fawn stock clips because the wires on these are very, very fine. And so I couldn't get the wires hooked up to the fawn stock clips. But this is a really neat experiment. I wish we were together in school so you could have fun doing this yourself. Have fun making your s'mores and save one for me. Have a good day, guys.